Ahoy, treasure seekers! The seas of the E-mini S&P 500 futures has been pillaging profits from some and rewarding others. Off the waves, the last 5 hours. First filling our booty chests, then seeing the tide turn on us. Batten down the hatches as we chart a course through these choppy waters. Let's jump right into it. Pirate Adventure, Market Overview. Market drifting from prior breakout into balance. P-O-C shifted lower to acceptance, weakening. Trend to rotational after expansion. Key decision, reclaim, V-A-H, or lose, V-A-L. Environment favors responsive trades over breakouts. Key, buy and sell levels or ranges. Value area, high, VAH, 6,561. Behave like the highest yardarm on the mast. If the wind blows price above this, we are catching a strong gale toward the horizon. Value area, low, VAL, 6,517. The edge of the plank where many a bull has met the sharks. A breach here suggests we are heading for the locker. Point of control, POC, 6543. The captain's quarters where the most contracts were signed and the most gold changed hands today. Support. Zone, 6,500, 12 to 6,517. A shallow sandy bay where the anchor holds firm. Plenty of treasure hunters are waiting to buy the dip here. Resistance zone, 6,561 to 6,618. The fortified walls of a Spanish port. Hard to breach without a massive broadside of buying orders. Single prints. Escape paths? Lower. 6,512 to 6,513. A narrow gap in the reef. If we slip through, expect a rapid descent into the deep blue. Upper. 6,566 to 6,572. A secret passage through the cliffs. Clearing this allows the crew to sail freely into the open sea. Market context. Today's chart looks like a ship caught in a tropical storm. After a massive surge to the heavens yesterday, the crew seems to have developed a case of scurvy, dragging the price back down toward the center of the map. The heavy selling suggests the treasure chest is lighter than expected, and we are currently drifting in a broad channel. It is a day for cautious navigation, as the tide has turned against the recent explorers. 3-day march through the jungle. Day 3, March 31st. P-O-C, 6,442. High, 6,592. Low, 6,353. The crew discovered a new island and started the climb toward the peaks. Day 2, April 1st. P-O-C, 6,618. High, 6,654. Low, 6,576. The wind was in our sails, and we reached the highest crow's nest of the voyage. Day 1, April 2nd. POC, 6,543. High, 6,633. Low, 6,512. A mutiny broke out, and the ship drifted back into the middle of the ocean. Value was hoisted high yesterday, but has been lowered today. Acceptance above the yardarm at 6,561 would mean the mutiny is over. Failure to hold the plank at 6,517 invites a visit to the abyss of Day 3. Volume analysis. Cumulative volume. Delta. CVD. Breakdown. Session. Open. CVD. Negative 1,192 contracts. Our voyage began with a few sailors jumping overboard. Intraday peak. Buying. CVD climbed to 4,277. A brief moment where the sun broke through the clouds and the crew felt brave. Current CVD. Negative 51,642. Net negative 50,450. From open. meaning a total mutiny has occurred and the heavy cannons are firing sell orders. Intraday low, CVD, low, negative 51,642, the lowest point of morale for the bulls in the entire session. Interpretation: the aggressive selling delta is as heavy as a lead anchor. Any attempt to sail higher will require a massive new crew of buyers to overcome this weight. Risk management considerations. Long trades. Entry zone, near the sandy bay of VAL, 6,512 to 6,517. Stop loss, below the single print floor at approximately 6,508, 4 ticks beneath the low, or use average true range, ATR, approximately 9 points, below entry. Profit target, initial target at the captain's quarters, 6,543. Major target at the yard arm, 6,561. Short trades. Entry zone, on rejection of the yard arm, 6,561 to 6,572, or a breach below the plank at 6,517. Stop loss, above the cliff ceiling at approximately 6,573 or ATR, above entry. Profit target, the galley, 6,543 for first partial, then the low tide at 6,512. Position sizing. Use a maximum 1 to 2% account risk per idea, equalized by stop distance. Trail stops to the last defended level after first target is reached. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A, acceptance above VAH. The crew suppresses the mutiny and torches through the high yardarm at 6,561. Setup, enter long above 6,561 with stop at 6,543. POC, target 6,618 plus on momentum continuation. Scenario B, rejection at VAH. The Spanish fort at 6,561 proves too strong, and we are slammed back down. Setup, short on first failure off VAH. Stop above 6,572. Target P, OC, then VAL. Scenario C, failure at VAL. The ship hits the reef and the price breaches the low at 6,512. Setup, short a break below 6,512. Stop above 6,521, recent swing high. Target 6,442, area from day 3. Scenario D, value bounce. The anchor holds at VAL, and buyers find hidden gold in the sand. Setup, long at 6,517. Stop at 6,508. Target POC, then VAH. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.